Get clarified, shiny hair by rinsing with 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar and 1 cup water after shampooing. Mix 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar in 1 bowl warm water. Wash your face with this and then pat dry with a towel. When your hands and feet are feeling tired and swollen after a long day, a massage with rubbing apple cider vinegar will help relieve the stress. Relieve sunburns by mixing 1 cup of apple cider vinegar to the bathtub. Are you aware that apple cider vinegar can help remove stains from teeth? Rub teeth directly with apple cider vinegar and rinse out. Fight cavities and bad breath. Mix 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of water. Swish the mix, then spit out and rinse with water. Fill a bottle with equal parts apple cider vinegar and water and shake to blend. For maintaining body weight and balancing pH, sip the concoction of 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to ½ liter of water. Add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of raw honey to a 1 cup of water. Drink this throughout the day to cleanse your body and kidneys all day long. Rub apple cider vinegar onto your pet's skin. Add a little bit of apple cider vinegar to their water. Spray apple cider vinegar, diluted 50% with water, onto your pets, and onto your furniture to repel the presence of fleas. Mix ½ cup of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup water. Use this mixture to clean microwaves, bathroom tiles, kitchen surfaces, windows, glasses, and mirrors. This mixture also works as a great disinfectant.